Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends, my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine. You are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome my YouTube channel. I introduce beautiful ideas and these are very beautiful to each other. So let's come and share with you beautiful design that are completely combined and are different to each other, which are most beautiful and are ambiguous. Beautiful design in this video I shared with you. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared, and these are very beautiful ideas in this video. You will gain different knowledge to watch this video, and I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which are most beautiful and are different to each other. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video and I introduced in this video. Beautiful ideas in this video I shared with you, and very beautiful and unique design I introduced. I hope friends you will be enjoy different ideas which are beautiful. Hope you like my ideas which I shared with you, and beautiful designs, very beautiful things idea, and beautiful earrings and new designs ideas in this video. You will gain knowledge and enjoy this idea. Will be enjoy this beautiful idea. Hope you will be gain different type of thinking ideas watching this video. Thank you so much friends to watching this video at the last. Inshallah next time I will meet you with a beautiful ideas. To take care friends.